The jointer planer combo machine has the ability to completely transform your projects in seconds. Personally, I wasn't aware of how effective a tool it could be until I saw one in action. I now have a completely different appreciation for this tool, and here's the best part. As it's a combo machine, it takes up less space, which is perfect for anybody where space is an issue. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best jointer planer combo machines from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jet JJP Ointer Planer Combo. As a brand, Jet has produced several different jointer planer combo machines over the years. Still, I've selected this model because I feel it combines some of the best features from several of their more popular models. This model comes with a 13-amp motor and offers speeds of 9,000 RPM, while also producing up to 18,000 cuts per minute. That's impressive, and with a jointer cutting depth of and a planer cutting depth of 6/8, it does make quick work of planing down that surface and getting the material nice and smooth. Number 2. Jet JJP 8BT8 Jointer Planer Combo. If you wish to own a benchtop jointer planer combo machine, I recommend this Jet model as it manages to pack so much into one machine. Even though it's relatively compact, it still packs a 13-amp motor, producing a cutter head speed of 9,000 RPM. That equals 18,000 cuts per minute, since this model comes with 2 knives. I also love that it has a decent feed speed of 19.5 feet per minute, so you should feel as if you can press on with the task, and that the machine won't hold you back. Number 3. Wen Spiral Jointer Planer. If you prefer a spiral cutter head, then this model by Wen is certainly one I would check out. This model comes with 12 staggered HSS blades, and with 10 amp of power behind it. It does mean this small machine doesn't mess around. With this level of power, it does mean the machine can cut through all types of wood, and it does so with relative ease. Regarding the cutting of the boards, it can remove up 2 with each pass, and that's perfectly adequate. Number 4. Portacable Jointer Planer Combo. Portacable is a name I love when I'm searching for a well-made tool that doesn't exactly come with a hefty price tag, and this jointer planer combo machine is a prime example. Complete with 10 amp of power, I like how this model makes it easy to vary the speed from between 6,000 and 11,000 RPM. That does mean it offers a cutting limit of anywhere from 12,000 to 22,000 cuts per minute. Portacable does make a habit of producing tools that are easy to use, and I know that this also applies here. For example, when changing the knives, it takes minutes to do, thanks to the ease of access, and you can then resume cutting those boards immediately. Number 5. Jet JPJ 12-inch Planer. I'm going back to another model by Jet for the jointer planer combo I feel represents the best option for heavy-duty use. In this instance, you get a bit more power at 15 amp, even though the cutting speed is reduced to 5,300 RPM. However, I don't see that as too problematic as the power will shine through. This model comes with 3 knives and offers a 12 cutting width, which is larger than most. Also, that 15 amp motor churns out a total of 3 HP, making it one of the more powerful options on the market. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.